Hello, my parents. So it's a holiday, like I said yesterday. Today is only one day in between week. The holiday has come, and I can't tell you like ऐसे बीच में just one day in a 1 week it comes. It feels like wow. I today I'm feeling like I got a chocolate cake. So the thing is that it's bright sunny day. I don't know about the brightness. Well, I always get ready this way. Uh, I don't know what to do in life, but I do it, and well, I'm very happy about my shoes, and I'll show you my shoes. I mean, nothing new, but finding newness in old things is the like a nectar of soul enriching life. Very heavy words I have used. Anyway, so I'll just show you what I am wearing. Shoes. So I'll just give you the glimpse of it. Ciao! Today I'm wearing these shoes, and this is, like I said in the last time comparison, I always prefer Hoka or New Balance. So I'm extremely happy with the color and the comfort of it. So while you're walking, it gives you a nice push and cushion also at the back. It's very good for kind of a light workout or walk or some light movements of legs, not like running. I don't think so. I don't know this can be done for running point of view. So I'm just gonna carry on with this hot sunny day to do some physical and mental activity in my life. After the health checkup, I got that I should now only prioritize my mental and physical health. So this is a beautiful class. I just love this color. Nature has made so many beautiful things, right? I don't know why we want to destroy it. Anyways, let me just carry on with my day. I just love this color, okay? Cha! This flower I have never seen in my place, okay? I mean, in my country. Not my country, but शायद मैं ही इतना घूमी नहीं हूँ ज़िंदगी में. But I just love this subtleness of the pink. Pink signifies the soothing and peace. See the closer view. I just love the inside one, okay? If you can see, there are a nice my biological vocab is very less, but inside there is white and orange. They say that it's they are like female and male kind of arrangement done, and then it blooms in flowers. Wow, look at the view. Yeah, it's a pinky day. Ciao. I'll just carry on. Even this shade also, it just gives you such a splash of freshness. I just love this shade. We do have this is a common flower, okay? We call it as in our place as Jendu, and mostly this is used for the offering to God. However, this color is quite common, but it's, I think, floral day. I think I found the theme for today. It's a floral theme. See ya. Morning मेरे यारो. After a healthy start of the day, I'm going to make the healthy breakfast for me. वैसे भी मैं हमेशा I prefer to eat healthy food. I never go for junk food in my life. I mean, since my childhood, that's the way my upbringing has done. So I'm just used to for it. It just comes naturally. I mean, that just I want to say. So what I'm going to in a long speech in short, I am gonna make a omelette, but it's not just going to be onion, a little bit of veggies so that it balance out the taste and the nutritional value. I'll share what vegetables I'm adding in. See ya. Yeah, so to start with my parents, I'm just adding green chili for the hotness, and this is a cut onion cubes, small cubes. This is carrot, and this is French beans. And I got this spring onion, but I am not sure I'm gonna add this in while making omelette. And I have already, this is a 2 eggs like 2 eggs liquid I have prepared, and of course there is salt is going to be, and I'm just gonna add a little bit oil to grease it a bit. And this is going to be on my breakfast. And there is one more toast which I'm going to have along with this omelette. So this is my healthy breakfast, and there is a sweet which I have made in on Sunday feast. So that's a little bit of sweet I'm gonna taste along with all these things. So I'm just looking forward for the delicious, tasty breakfast. Cha! So after a long efforts, I have made this veggie omelette, and this is a multigrain toast I'm gonna have with this, and little bit of cheese along with this. So I think it's already done, this uh, what omelette. I mean, before it get burned, I need to manage this crisis management. So see, yeah, I'll just enjoy my delicious breakfast on the only 1 day week off. See ya. Well, when I flipped it, it becomes like a golden. However, it's been said that the omelette, real omelette, is something which always half cooked. Okay, I think this bread, it needs to be roasted more. So I'm going to roast it more. And this omelette is ready now. So I'll just arrange in plates and have with this bread. Ciao. You know, life isn't perfect always, so you can see the imperfection. I'm going to title it as a wabi sabi. That is a Japanese word where they make a combination that some perfect thing with imperfect thing. So my wabi is omelette, and sabi is this wabi sabi toast, a wabi sabi breakfast. So I mean, nothing is perfect in life. You have to just accept it as it is. So I'm just accepting my toast, and then I have taken so much efforts to get this bread in my life. So I cannot, demotivate and demoralize the value of this food, because people don't get even this much toast. So see ya! Mehnat, the hard work, fruit of hard work is this. So finally I made it in a, I have accentuated the beauty of the food as well, because food is not just about the taste but also the looks. So to cover up my wabi sabi combination, I just spreaded a little bit of jam and cheese and some dry fruits. And this is the Sunday feast I have cooked on Sunday. So this is going to be my royal breakfast, and I'm treating myself with this royal food made by myself. See ya! So, मेरे parents, so with this cool look, because it's extremely hot outside, I'm just going out to meet my friend, to fulfill my promise that I will have lunch with that friend. So I'm leaving. Ciao. Well, parents, I'm going out because I really don't have, I haven't had any plan as such. Just for this 1 day off, I thought maybe I'll just take a break. But I remember I actually promised one person, my friend, to have lunch, because that person wants to try some European. I'm not sure which, but yeah, some Mexican food. So I thought maybe, yeah, okay, fine, let me just go. I haven't tried Mexican in here, so this is going to be my first time. But you have already seen my royal breakfast. However, with the lot of patience and courage and motivation at my heart to carry myself outside this extremely hot climate. So I'll see you soon in some time. Ciao! So this is the place where I have come. I just like the road actually. It's very beautiful road. I like small lanes, and however the shops are mostly closed. But anyways, I'm gonna go and grab the delicious lunch. Ciao!
いらっしゃいませ。